boys and girls of Samoa. It's from the same soul. Mr. T, Shy Guy, and my mic.
Daily tama, siva mai, suitao. Daily tama, siva mai, suitao.
Zafaonga olene yolanga ifaingo atine umamatama leilo anfua fuanga imelele mani mealeanga bana tuale tasinungana e umahutine ofo iutama fa ale leilo olanga bafa eva solo ile tolanga
tama siva mai suitao.
Leolanga e o game uma be a fia eva ile musika le leai oi malau baanga eva fia ai lo langa sunga sole si itau tona alava le tasi alava le na se awa e fia ai ayanga inane e moane ua e papala
eva mai malui mai Fafale masoso mai Ko kei me umasunga yo mawhai family Welo whaku nga waku mga yo mga koe kau whaiak yo Mao al wawhai mai wai alu awa e wai abe kampani Master nilo mai Sa e ngi mea soli ke mao mai Nga o kanga kau whaamale ngale umau kupai leo mai A e Shy Guy Fiu vidi vili ngale kani me mai I e lese i mai au mai Eskisi victim sip so e misi
To the beat and let your thoughts run through. Think of the times when we was busting the groove up on the dance floor, baby. We was letting it loose. We made it seem like it was just me and you. All eyes on us while we do what we do, and when we do what we do, we make it look so cool. Slow dance, hold hands under a white full moon. We should start our own class, cause we so damn good. The way you synchronize every single one of your moves. My moves so light, I make it look so smooth. I know you're feeling me, girl, cause I'm feeling you too. R&B, baby, rhythm and blues. Groove with me now. Oh, now. Step with me now. Dance with me now. Groove